Carmel-By-the-Sea Concours on the Avenue 2021.
What do we have here today?
I have a 1953 Chevy pickup I built.
What's the story behind this?
Well, it's all hand built. We won numerous shows. You have to do that to get Piffle Beats, and we're here today. So.
What's unique about this car that's different from some of the other models?
Well, mostly that I built it completely by myself. It has a 1957 392 Hemi motor in it. It's a Chevy pickup. It's been shortened, tub, all kinds of numerous customizations on it, which are pretty unique for the type of car that is normally here.
How often do you get this out on the road?
Oh, we show probably every other week. Usually we're somewhere through the course of the show season.
Have you been here before? It's the Concours?
No, it's my first time.
How do you think about it?
Oh, it's just everything I thought it was going to be.
Good for you. That's really important.
1970 AAR Cuda in violet with a white interior, pistol grip 4-speed, 340 6-pack car. This is a very rare car. It's the only AAR Cuda ever to win Mopar Gold at the Nationals back in Carlisle, Pennsylvania.
Very slow, casual grocery getter.
Hey. Hey man, this is awesome. Carmel on the Avs 2021 in the 21 window bus. We are having a big time. We're hoping for the best. We're thinking it's going to be a winner. I've got a winner bus here and I've got a winner best friend.
She's actually pulled her belt tighter than Dad's belt, so she's...
Look at these fabulous autos. Oh my gosh, Ferraris, Porsches.
Here's your car.
97.
What's your favorite part?
I beat this car to death, so it's backed out to. I like it as a road car now. So it was a little too twitchy on the track for 9 years, but it's a better road car than it was a race car. So.